Hi, Bobbi-Jo. So I'm just going to try to explain the assignment with you as I go through this. But again, feel free to call me and we can discuss this. It might be a lot easier actually over the phone, but we can start with this, that's for sure. So this is a major assignment, so you're definitely going to want to put some time and effort into it. So you're going to be working on it over the next 3 weeks. Basically what you want to do is pick a topic. It could be anything that we've covered previous in this unit or in this entire course that you are passionate about, that you want to make some sort of a difference or change with, okay? So the task for this assignment is two-part, okay? It involves a public education part where you're informing the public of the whys and hows, and some sort of an action part where you're actually getting out and doing or performing something, okay? So as far as what we're talking about, it can be absolutely anything you want to do. And again, it'll depend on the type of topic, your interests, your skills, all that sort of stuff. So I've given you examples of different things that you can do. So for example, creating a week plan, doing a bunch of visual presentations, you could do speeches, bringing guest speakers to perform, all sorts of things. And along this campaign, you need to document your efforts, whether it's taking pictures of things, getting people to write really quick little reference letters for you, anything at all. Okay, so I've also given you ideas of what people have done in the past too as well, just to kind of get you off to a good start. So other people in the past have done things like starting a composting program at their school, starting a recycling program at their work, made large visual displays for the front of the school, organized a cleanup event for their town. So these are all different ideas that they have done, but there's also been the educational component that goes along with them. So for example, those that made up like a community cleanup, wrote a bunch of articles for the newspaper, did some promotion on like Facebook and other social media, announcements at school, that sort of stuff to get other people involved. So again, it can be absolutely anything. I know you're really artistically inclined. Maybe you want to have, I don't know, like do up a bunch of paintings and have little descriptions of how they represent something of the environment and then sell them off and put that money towards charity. It can be absolutely anything that you decide, as long as you're picking a topic, you're educating the public about it, and you're actually getting out and doing something. Okay. You can work in groups, so I know there are a number of you from your school working on this class, so you can join up with them or you can decide to tackle this on your own. It's entirely up to you. If you notice at the calendar on the first page, it kind of gives the deadlines for everything. So this is broken up into different components or different steps along the way, and it's just to help keep on track, and it gives me allows me to give you guys feedback along the way too as well. So by Wednesday, you should email me your proposed plan. So that would be your topic and what you want to do. So again, how you're going to educate the public and what sort of actions you're going to be taking. The second part you have to add is the actual materials. So for example, if you're going to do newspaper articles or make up posters or make paintings or anything like that, you would email me that. Some of the stuff you can submit electronically, other stuff you're just going to have to take pictures of and that sort of stuff, and that's okay. Then you're actually going to do the plan, whatever it is. Maybe it's going to be a week-long event, maybe it's going to be like a one-day thing. Totally depends on what you're going to be doing. And then the last part is documentation of your efforts. So again, proof that it's actually been enacted. So again, pictures or videos or reference letters, that sort of stuff. And then you're going to write up a reflection on it. So that can be either 1 to 2 page reflection, it can be an audio file, some sort of video diary. You come up with the way that you're going to discuss it. And again, these are the questions here that will sort of guide your response. I hope that clears up some things, but it's hard to talk about this specifically just because it is so open-ended and you can make it whatever you want. So again, it might be easier to talk about this over the phone, or if you have a sense now of where you want to take things, we can email back and forth and I can kind of help shape your project along the way to make sure that you're going to do well on it and that again covers these two components. Okay, I hope that makes sense. Okay, bye.